Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and one of my favorite accessories for iPhone are AirPods Pro. Now the AirPods Pro 2 just got a little bit of an update in two specific ways, but let's go ahead and unbox this, take a look at it, and as you can see it comes in at $249, the same price as before, but the big change this year is supposed to be with USB-C. Let's go ahead and open it up here. We'll remove these two pull tabs here. And let's open up the packaging. Should be the same as before. Inside, we've got our little AirPods Pro pamphlet saying how you use them. Also, we've got some warranty information, and that's about it. All the things we typically get with most Apple products. So let me go ahead and put this away and take a look at the AirPods themselves. So we have the AirPods Pro with the case here, AirPods Pro 2nd Gen, and then we can remove this here with a little pull tab. Underneath this, we have a new cable. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. And then in here, we actually have some earbud sizes. So as you can see, we have three different sizes. We have the ones that are actually on the AirPods themselves. Then we have extra small, small, and large. And I typically use the small size, but let's go ahead and put this away here for now. Move over to the cable, and this is an all-new cable. We have a braided USB-C cable, basically what we get with the new iPhone. So with the iPhone 15, we've got a USB-C to USB-C cable that's braided. So pretty nice there. Of course, we'll take a closer look at that. We'll try that out in a moment. And then, of course, we have our AirPods. So let's open these up. See if we can remove them this way. There we go. And let's put everything back and in the box and to the side. So here are the AirPods themselves. From the outside, the case looks identical to what we had before. Move it to the other side. Of course, you've got your little lanyard strap there if you want that. Everything looks basically the same until you look at the bottom. You have a Lightning port from before, and now we have USB-C. So we've got some advantages of that, of course. We can charge directly from an iPhone, and the iPhone will output about 4.75 watts. So if we plug into an iPhone, plug it in like this, it starts charging right away. So that's great. It will charge directly from the iPhone if you need to charge up on the go. No reverse wireless charging yet, but we have this. We could charge directly from here, which is nice. So we have that option. Now let's go ahead and move this aside and let's pair these up to the phone. So we'll open these up here and let's get them paired. Give it a moment. Shows on my iPhone, AirPods Pro, tap connect. We'll wait for it to connect there. Takes just a moment. That's pretty much it. It's pretty fast. There we are. And then it says media and call control. We'll skip that. We can use announce calls and notifications or customize it. We also have some new features with iOS 17 we'll go over in just a moment with adaptive audio, personalized volume, and conversational awareness. So all of those things are super nice as far as using those, and here they are. Adaptive audio says a new listening mode that dynamically responds to your environment and cancels or allows external noise. You can switch between these modes. I've actually been using them, and they're super helpful. We'll turn on adaptive audio. Then we can use personalized volume to automatically adjust the volume of media. And then conversational awareness is one I find super helpful. While you're using these, it responds to your voice, not voices coming towards you. So it responds to your voice, dips the volume down if you're listening to a music or maybe a podcast. It will dip the volume down and lower it when I start speaking. Again, you've got your charge situation here, 40% and 65% from the factory. So that's everything here. And if I place one in my ear, you can actually see this dip the volume. Of course, you have mute and unmute as well, where you can squeeze the end of the stem and mute it if you're on a phone call. So if I play a song here, so I have the song playing in my ear. If I press and hold on the volume controls in the control center, we've got noise control, conversational awareness, and spatialized stereo. We can turn that on, fixed or not. Or we can turn off noise control, switch to adaptive mode. We have everything right here. And if we have adaptive mode on, while we're talking, it actually will pause this sometimes while you're speaking to someone else. If you have both of them in your ears, or if you're watching a movie, then it will resume when you stop speaking. So really nice features. One feature that they didn't talk about though, that actually is found on their website has to do with Apple Vision Pro. It allows for lossless audio with the H2 chip in the future. Now, why they haven't brought that to the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max yet, I'm not sure. Hopefully they will in the future, but you can see here it actually says it will be available with an update in the future. So that's something that we'll have hopefully pretty soon. Maybe they'll bring it to the iPhone with iOS 17.1 or something else. Either way, I'm looking forward to that. So not a huge change here. Just wanted to share it briefly. And that's about it. Just USB-C AirPods Pro 2. I think they're great. My daughter will benefit from using the older ones. And that's about it. Let me know if you've picked these up, if you're going to get the USB-C one. You can also wirelessly charge them as well. I'll link some chargers in the description if you're interested, but you can set them on a wireless charger and you're good to go. So that's everything with AirPods Pro 2. Let me know if you're using them, if you're using AirPods Max, something else, wired headphones. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. I'll link this wallpaper in the description, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.